In this video, I'll tell you how to fix the page fault in non-paged area error in Windows. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and leave a like under this video. First, open the Windows search bar and type View Advanced System Settings. Open it, then under Performance click Settings. Go to the Advanced tab, click Change in the Virtual Memory section, uncheck Automatically Manage Paging File Size for old drives and select No Paging File. Confirm all windows with OK and restart your computer so the changes can take effect. After the restart, open Command Prompt as administrator. My version looks a little different because I have Visual Studio installed, but yours will most likely be called simply Command Prompt. Type the first command shown on screen and press Enter. This will scan the Windows image and repair corrupted files if any issues are found. When that process finishes, type the second command and press Enter. This scan checks Windows system files and automatically repairs damaged or missing files. Both scans can take a while, so let them finish completely. Once everything is done, restart your computer again and check if the blue screen is gone. Honestly, corrupted system files are one of the most common reasons behind this error, so these two scans are usually worth trying before moving on to more advanced fixes. Thanks for watching. I would be very happy if you would become one of the subscribers of this channel. Check out the suggested videos and also leave a like under this video. See you soon.